The open number line is introduced to second graders to help them with addition and subtraction. The goal of this is twofold. One, it's to help students become more fluent with addition and subtraction, but it is also to help them transition from a concrete model of adding and subtracting to doing things more mentally. This strategy is a little more challenging because it is something they've not used before. But we have to remember the goal is to move from concrete to something mental. This strategy can be different for each student because it's how they do this in their head. We're going to look at 18 plus 35. With an open number line, we're going to start with our numbers that are in our problem. Students are used to seeing number lines that start at 1. This is going to start with the numbers. And depending on how a student processes this in their head, depends on what they're going to do. But we're going to make jumps so that we make jumps of 35. Some students might be able to mentally make a jump of 30 and know that 18 plus 30 is going to give them 48. Some students might need to make jumps of 10 for them to get to 48. Either way, again, this is how students process this in their head. So from 48, I might know that 48 plus 2 more is going to give me 50 because that is a friendly number. So I have jumped 32 out of my 35 jumps that I need to make. I know that if I jump 3 more, that I will get to my 35. Some students might need to jump by ones, whereas other students, again, might be able to make that mental computation of jumping by 3. Either way, when we're done, if we look at all of our jumps, we have 30, 32, 35. So our answer to 18 plus 35 is 53. Now, other students, I'm going to model this another way, which other students might do this problem in their head. Some students might already go to a friendly number from 18. They might know that 18 plus 2 is going to put them at 20. So we've jumped 2 of our 35. Then they might, in their head again, know that 20 plus 30 is 50, and they have done 32 of their 35 jumps. Similar to the problem above, depending on how students calculate in their head, how they mentally do their math, depends on the jumps that they will make. Either way, when we jump 35 from 18, we land at 53.